This method, we can separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. Two miscible liquid means the liquids which are mixed with each other. So if we want to separate a mixture of two miscible liquids, then we will use a technique. That technique is known as the distillation. Now, what are the conditions which are required for the distillation? So for distillation, two miscible liquids should be there and they have a sufficient difference in their boiling point, and also they boil without decomposition, means they do not break down. So these are the conditions. If they are present, then we can separate the components of a mixture of two miscible liquids by the method of distillation. In the process of distillation, we convert a liquid into its vapors by heating and the subsequent condensation of the vapors back. Now, how we do it? For this, first of all, we will take a distillation flask. This is a distillation flask. We will put the mixture of acetone and water in it. Now, acetone and water, it is an example of miscible liquids. The boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius and of water it is 100 degrees Celsius. We know very well. So we will take this mixture into this distillation flask. Then we will fix it with the help of a clamp stand, and at another side what we will put a water outlet and water inlet. That is, whole device is the condenser, and a thermometer which is kept inside this distillation flask to measure the temperature. Now with the help of the spirit lamp we will heat it. When we will heat the mixture of acetone and water, then we know that acetone, it is having the low boiling point which is 56 degrees Celsius as compared to the water. Water is having 100 degrees Celsius boiling point. So the acetone, if vaporized first, now these vapors, they will move inside this condenser. In the condenser, the continuous supply of cold water is from this side and the hot water is coming out from here. So these vapors, they will get vaporized, means these vapors, they will convert into the liquid form, and that liquid we will collect in this separate beaker. Here we will collect, and the liquid which we will collect here, that liquid is the acetone, and afterwards the liquid which remain inside the distillation flask, that liquid is the water. So in this way, by the process of distillation, we can separate a mixture of two miscible liquids.